I'm going to share with you an incredible testimonial from one of my gals who's been on the patches for about 27, 28 months. This girl was knocking on death's door. She was only given 2.5 weeks to live. We don't make any medical claims because we don't cure, we don't heal, we don't treat, we don't diagnose, and we don't offer protocols. We do offer recommendations as to where to put the patches, but listen up to this gal who had horrible breast cancer. She had horrible fungus and mold in her brain and throughout her body. They had removed her gallbladder, her spleen, her ovaries, her uterus. She needed a liver transplant, and they said, we can't get you a liver transplant in 2.5 weeks. It's not enough time to find a donor. So just get your affairs in order. This is her experience. She says here, her name is Anne Ziegenhorn. She says, what I didn't feel while wearing this magical little patch. I didn't feel my skin improving, but I look younger today than I did 5 years ago. I didn't feel my hair growing and darkening back up until Leah, my daughter, who colors my hair and is a color specialist, told her. I didn't feel my finger and toenails growing. I didn't feel anxiety and PTSD improving. It just no longer happened any longer. I just no longer noticed that I had PTSD and anxiety. I didn't feel my fatigue going away until I was no longer exhausted. I didn't feel my kidney function improving. I didn't feel my stomach repairing until I could eat again, because she couldn't eat from how bad her body was. I didn't feel my vision change. Oh boy, for the better. I didn't feel my vision change for the better. And she put in parentheses, contacts got reduced in strength this past month. So that just recently happened. I didn't feel my joints improving until they no longer hurt. I didn't feel my muscle and bone density improving until I could exercise again. I didn't feel my nerves that were on fire as I walked change for the better until I could walk without pain. I hope this helps for those patchers that are expecting to feel miracles within the first minutes, days, or even weeks or first month. This patch is a miraculous technology that signals our bodies and allows our bodies to heal themselves, to repair, to restore. Please give yourself permission to heal and give this magical patch the time it needs to work for you. Everyone is different. Therefore, everyone's results will be different. Once your cells are activated, they will go to work to put out the biggest fires first inside your body. And this you may not feel. However, not feeling something does not mean it's not working for you. The patch works for absolutely every body. Anne Ziegenhorn. Here she is. And let me see if I can show you the picture of what she looks like now. I'm going to hold it up to the camera to see. That's what she looks like now. For those of you who are on Facebook and see me in April in Punta Mita, and later this week, I'm going to be meeting up with her in Florida because she's like the Energizer Bunny. She went from going, she was like on death's door to she's totally fine now. So, yeah, I don't have her before and after picture, but her before picture, she had, because like I said, she only had 2.5 weeks to live. So her face was very, very droopy. She had very dark, around her eyes. She had kind of an opaque type look over her eyes. Her hair was a lot whiter. She was like I said, she was terminal. But now she's terminally well. So it's very exciting. All right. Thank you for allowing me the time to share this with you. If you or someone you know is interested in upping their health game, reversing whatever it is that ails you at this moment in time, just reach out to me. We're here to help you, to support you, to get you right on track, to help you feel better, to get rid of the pain, to resolve and dissolve whatever it is that you have so that you can live a happier, healthier life. And if you or someone you know wants to experience this life-saving technology like you're experiencing, just get them in contact with me. You can give them my number. You can give them Carol's number. My number is 714-865-5626. You can always join our Zooms. You could see, you can also, here's the meeting ID for the Zoom right here. 714-794-5626. That's not a phone number. That's the meeting ID. But if you just go to damelillianzoom.com, which you're going to see right here, that'll take you to these Zooms, which I do daily. All right. Take care. Ciao for now.